In this video, I'm going to show you a third case in which you can now again be required to find an angle between two lines, okay? Now, what are the two lines that we have got here? It is very important to note we don't only have this straight line, which is given by what 2y minus 3x equals to 4, but we've got another line here, which is the y-axis. Now, the y-axis, guys, is simply the line y equals to 0. If you think about it, because it passes at the origin and the coordinates there is 0 and 0. So yes, you do have two lines. Now, as I said, the drill is you always want to draw a line which is a parallel to the x-axis and passes at the point of what? Intersection between those two lines. And in this case, I have already drawn this line. And you can see that actually we are going to have an angle that is a 90-degree angle forming actually on one side of that or of the intersection. All right, so I'm labeling that, I am indicating it there. So what then that means is that I've got one angle left. Well, just one angle to deal with now here is theta, because I know this one already is 90 degrees. So I've got theta there, and you can see then my alpha, my equation is going to be as follows. Alpha is actually 90 degrees plus the angle theta. That is one thing that I established from this. Okay, so in this case, I also know that because the gradient is positive, theta is going to be acute. So I just have to find the gradient. Now, be careful. Your equation is not in standard form. So don't be tempted to just say the gradient is -3. In fact, that doesn't make sense because you can see you are having a positive line. So what is important here and what they want you to learn and to get used to doing is have your equation in standard form. So here, 2y is 3x plus 4. And so y is 3 over 2x plus 2. That is now your actual equation. And you can see now your gradient is actually 3 over 2. That is your gradient. Now, let's go for this quickly. Tan theta is equal to m. Theta is arctan of 3 over 2. That's how easy it is. And you can punch that in your calculators. Of course, arctan of 3 over 2 is just what? 56.3 degrees. That's what I have. Hope you get the same thing. And we are done. Therefore, using this thing here, alpha is just 90 plus 56.3 degrees. And this is just 146.3 degrees. And that's a wrap. Very simple, fairly straightforward. Okay, so guys, please make sure you understand this. From here, I'm just gonna throw some questions at you and see if you can follow through. So stay tuned. I'll be posting those very soon in the group chat. Cheers.